Yeah, so this year we had to hold our WISE session online, which makes a big difference to previous years. And we have a few WISE participants here with us. So, Marielle, do you want to tell us what was the WISE online experience like for you?
Génial, génial, c'était tout simplement génial. J'ai rencontré des super collègues, dont certains apparaissent ici à l'écran. On a pu pratiquer à partir de discours très originaux, très différents de ce qu'on fait en cabine. Donc moi, je dirais, allez-y, foncez.
I felt the same atmosphere as you feel at a live in-person WISE. That is that everybody, interpreters are of all different levels, different ranges of experience, but we all come together in humility as well, making ourselves vulnerable, letting our colleagues listen to us, people that have never met us before, and everybody is there to help each other improve and really receive some amazing feedback. And if anybody's thinking about doing the August version, I would definitely recommend it.
And Farah, you've done face-to-face a normal WISE session. How does it compare?
I think it was really great. I was worried at first about having to become my own technician, sound engineer, whatever you want to call it. But in actual fact, I didn't have to do anything quite like that. I thought everything was very well dealt with. Whenever there was any sort of issue, it was troubleshooted like immediately. All the problems were solved. It was really fantastic. And like previous colleagues have said, I think that all the networking was there. The social events were still there. So we were able to maintain professionalism, but still have fun and have a social life as well. So I think overall, in a nutshell, it was a fantastic experience and I would definitely do it again, online or offline.
Great. What about you, Paula?
Bueno, pues yo también he tenido la oportunidad de hacer WISE en persona y ahora esta vez en línea. Y el gran desafío creo que era construir esa relación de confianza entre los compañeros cuando no pueden verse en persona. Normalmente en un WISE en persona pues se pasa una semana muy agradable en la que se sale a comer juntos, se hacen pausas para el café todos los días, se comparte feedback muy honesto y desde la humildad, como decía Lucy. Y en esta ocasión era más difícil crear ese vínculo con los compañeros. Entonces mi pensamiento inicial era, bueno, veremos a ver qué tal con los eventos sociales, pero he de decir que tanto yo como José lo han hecho muy fácil para todos. He trabajado con compañeros que conocía y compañeros que no, y enseguida se creó un ambiente muy agradable entre todos, muy colaborativo. Así que no puedo sino recomendar encarecidamente WISE en línea también.
Just go for it!
And another thing is that I couldn't understand why it was called Unlockdown, but I realised that since conferences started getting cancelled here in Italy halfway through February already, and I was really locked up in the sense that I hadn't been interpreting, and it was a really good kickstart to say, you know, listen, you've got to start practicing again, even if there aren't any conferences. So it was an unlock down.
We have French, English, and Spanish.
Then we have to translate it. Yeah, we can do that if you want. Let's just go for it.